So this is the way we wash our clothes. Okay. Uh, let's do a little bit of a laundry chat on a Sunday morning. I know. Many of you getting ready to go to church or somewhere else or visit someone, but a lot of people play catch up or they like to begin their week by catching up on certain things at home, like getting all the laundry done for the following week, which is always a great idea, especially if you're a working person, that structure of Monday through Friday, etc. You see where I'm going with that? Or you got kids going to school, you want to make sure all their school clothes are nice and clean and ready for the upcoming week. I get that. I get that. We'll talk about all these things in a second. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Jan. Welcome to this episode of my channel, the Save Money and More with Jan channel. How's everybody doing today? If you are brand new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Look at the little welcome sign on the upper left-hand corner. See, I'm saying welcome. There you go. If you've been here a while, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're just dropping by to say hello, all right, hello. Hope you come back again one day, but I appreciate everybody who's ever stopped here, even once. Thank you very, very much. All right, let's jump right into it with the laundry chat. I figured something out about laundry detergent. What? Yeah, I know. Who comes up with stuff like this? Maybe other people. But honestly, this occurred to me like just a few moments back, literally. And I said, I have to absolutely record a video before I lose the point that's in my head. They push a lot of these products today that, yes, they're not in big jugs. Yes, you're not carrying a heavy, liquid filled laundry soap, if you will, or heavy, heavy boxes because they push these little individual pod type items, or they have the other ones that they're like sheets, I believe. I've not used them, so I don't know, but I believe that there are those little like laundry sheets out there. I think are filled with detergent and some are with other stuff. So I'm not 100% on that, but that's not even the point. Why would you think manufacturers are trying to take away people's use of the liquefied type of laundry detergent product? Let's think about this for a minute. There's a reason. Well, there are a number of reasons, and the reasons all make sense because the jugs take up a lot of weight in shipping. Get it? More shipping costs, the higher cost because it's heavy. True, true. I get that. Okay. And it does make a lot of sense. Also, for the environment, less plastic in the environment. True. Absolutely valid point. I get that. I do. I do. But plastic could be recycled into other stuff. So never forget that part. Okay. There's another reason that I think, and I could be 10 gazillion percent wrong. It's just my opinion, just a passing thought. And to me, my idea makes kind of sort of sense. An additional reason why manufacturers may want people to buy, let's say, I'm just using this as an example. Let's say that you buy the pod type one, okay? Let's just say that you do. Yeah, convenient. I get that. I get that. But it is individual and it is definite. What do you mean by that? Well, let's pretend that there are 10 pod type products in one pack. I'm sure there are packages that sell more. I'm just pretending here. So I don't need anybody to say, "Oh, but there's 35 in mine." Okay, I get it. I get it. We are pretending here. In this pretend pack, make believe, 10 pods are in the pack, right? So, what that means, because it is a concentrated product, you only get to use one per load, right? Well, it seems reasonable, John. You're getting 10 loads that you could do, right? Yeah, but that's about it. However, let's go back to the handy dandy plastic jug of liquid that I still use, by the way. Just saying, just saying. I could stretch my product because I have noticed I do not need it full 100% stretched. I mean, strength. I can use half of that product. You see where I'm going with this? I actually end up saving money. Huh? Yeah, I'm not saving effort that the jug isn't heavy. Yeah, the jug is heavy. But I have flexibility to stretch my laundry detergent spending buck. Does that make sense? The other things are definite. There are definitely 10 little devices in their pods, whatever you want to call it, and that's it. You could only do 10 loads on a make believe package, and that's it. You can't go beyond that. Who else out there has ever noticed that you do not need to use so much of that laundry detergent, the liquid one? Now, I'm sure that there are brands out there that may be a little bit watered down already, but the truth is you could still water it down a little more. I've done that. You see, here's where people make a big mistake. Everybody thinks it depends on your laundry detergent entirely for your clothes to get clean. Couldn't be further from the truth. The truth be told is that it is all in the agitation process of your washing cycle. Hello. Think about that for a second, okay? So you can use even an inferior laundry detergent, but if you have a lot of good agitation action going on, chances are more than likely you're getting the job done just the same. Furthermore and beyond, those other products, like I just mentioned earlier, the ones that are not liquefied, if you will, they tend to be a heck of a lot more money if you do the math on it. And unfortunately, these days, I find myself doing a lot more math on a lot more things. Considering I was a person that did not like to teach math, although I did a pretty good job of it, I didn't. I didn't care for it. And I talked about it many, many times on my channel. I mentioned it many times on my channel. I admit that. But let me tell you, and I will always say it, math is your friend. Math does not lie. Math is your friend, and math does not lie. And I'm noticing more and more and more these days, specifically, in order to, make ends meet, many of us have to use a little bit, if not a lot more math. This is just food for thought. Let me know what you think about this. Does this kind of sort of crazy theory with the laundry detergent thing make any sense to anyone? Do you think that by just being able to sell 10 pods in a package, well, that's it? They can't stretch it further. And of course, they're saving tremendous amount of money on shipping, which is smart, and a lot less, worries about, using too much plastic in the environment. I get that. I'm not saying these are all wonderful things, and I'm not saying it's not convenient. Heck, yes. But sometimes, convenience can pay a cost. We definitely know that. Here's an example of how having nothing to do with the laundry, where convenience is a cost, just by simply buying cut up things, cut up produce. For a matter of a couple of minutes of cutting things up, and I'm a lousy cutter, but I still cut, okay? If I see a manager special of pre-cut up things, I will grab it, I will use it. And baby carrots can be 99 cents a bag, and they're small and they're cleaned up, and you just use them just like that. Honestly, that's it. Great for the crock pot. Baby carrots are a great asset inside of a crock pot meal. We could talk about other things like that in the future show. However, getting back to the laundry, this is my crazy theory. Let me know what you think. Where? In the comment section below. All right, everybody. Thank you so very much for being here. I truly appreciate everybody's time on this 26th day of this 26th year. Today's April 26th in 2026. What a coinky dink, huh? Don't forget to come back later on today. What? For the 5 p.m. show. It's been back by popular demand. I like to do this every month at the end of the month, like the last 10 days of the month, the 5 p.m. show. I think it's been fun. People like it. They love that time slot. It's convenient. Why not? And the shows are pretty much 5 minutes or under. I might go overboard, maybe a minute or two once in a great while, but that's okay. It's my channel, my decision. But anyway, 5 p.m. show. Have a great day, everybody. Take good care of yourself and your amazing family. And as per usual, super thanks are forever and greatly appreciated. Thank you.